Hello everybody. If your aim feels off or your movement's laggy, it might be your controller dead zone. Let's fix that fast. Step 1. From the Fortnite lobby, press the options or menu button. For PC, just press escape. Scroll over to the gear icon, that's the settings tab. Then go down to controller options. Now scroll all the way down to the controller dead zone section. You will see two sliders here. This is the left stick dead zone and the right stick dead zone. Slide both all the way down to 5%. That's Fortnite's lowest allowed value. 0 isn't possible, but 5% is super responsive. Test your sticks in game. If your aim drifts on its own, bump it up by 1% until it stops. Every controller is different. Remember, low dead zones equals faster edits, snappier aim, and better control, just like the pros. Hit apply, and boom, you're locked in. Try it out, tweak as needed, and dominate. Don't forget to like and follow for more quick tips.